Now I am going to explain about the block scope. Block scope means, for example, here I am having a one. I am going to first explain about the like one if statement. So here, if is a control statement. What is the if? If is a control statement. What is the use of this one? Means it will check the condition. What it will do? It will check the condition. It will check the condition. It will check the condition. For example, if the condition is true, then only if block will execute, otherwise if will not work. Means if the condition is true, then if block will work, otherwise if block will not work. Again I am repeating, if is nothing but one of the control statement. If is one of the control statement, it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then if block will execute. If the condition is not true, then if block will not execute. So again I am repeating, if is one of the control statement, it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then if block will work, otherwise it will not work. Otherwise it will not work. So I am taking one example here. Just I am having a for something here. For example, if I am having for this if, just for example I am giving the like directly true as one of the like value. So this here, whatever you have written here, we should never write directly like this. Here we have to check the condition, but as of now, just for understanding purpose, I am giving the here. I am giving this true. What I said? So if is nothing but one of the control statement. It will check the condition. If the condition is true, for example, just observe what I am doing is, whatever I have written here, just for explanation, I am taking directly true. True means here this if block is checking whether the like condition is true or not. So I am giving the like directly as a true. Then if you are giving the true as a value, then inside this block, whatever you will write, that will execute. For example, let id is equal to 20 I have written. 20 means if you are using the actually for creating the any variable, we have to write the something called as var keyword we have to write. But if you are not using the var keyword, instead of using the let keyword, instead of using the var keyword, if you use the let, then using the let keyword you can able to create a block scope variables. Again I am going to like explain here. Let is a one of the keyword which is introduced in ES6. Where it is introduced? Which is introduced in ES6. Let is nothing but one of the keyword which is introduced in ES6. What is the use of the let keyword? Means using the let keyword you can able to create a block scope variable. Using let keyword you can create block scope variable. So using the let keyword, if you are creating any variable, means definitely the scope of the let keyword variable is within a block only. Means I already said something to you. We are having three types of the scopes. Scopes mean scopes in the sense we are having the global scope, and we are having a function scope, and we are having the block scope. Here block means whether it is a for loop or if or while loop or do while loop or any other loops. If you are using the loop conditions or control statements, this will comes under like block scope, and inside this particular block only you are going to create a variables. For example, here I have created, here I am having a one if condition. For that if condition I am giving the true as a boolean condition, and inside this function let id is equal to 20. Like let is nothing but one of the keyword. Using that keyword you can able to create a block scope variables. What is the meaning of the like block scope variable? Means you can able to access this let related variable inside this particular block only, but you can't able to access let keyword variable value outside of your function. Also you can't able to access, as well as inside a function also, outside of this block also you can't able to access. For example, if you are trying to do here document dot write ln of document dot write ln of, then here you are giving the like id, then you can able to access let keyword variable inside a particular block only. What is this? This is a block scope variable. Block scope variable means using the let keyword you can able to create a block scope variable. If we are creating the any variable with the help of the let, then automatically the scope of the let keyword variable is block only. Then the block scope variable can be accessible inside a particular block only. You can't able to access outside of a function. For example, here I am having a one block name is if block, and inside the if block I have written the let id is equal to 20. Means it is one of the block scope variable. Then you can able to access this id variable inside this particular block. Means inside this if block only you can able to access, but you can't able to access outside of this if block. You can access let keyword variable inside a function only. Sorry, inside a particular block, but you can't able to access let keyword value outside of your block. You cannot access let variable outside of a block. Again I am repeating. So here let is nothing but one of the keyword which is introduced in ES6. Using the let keyword you can able to create a block scope variables. For example, I am having a one block here, and block name is like if block, and inside a if block let id is equal to I am having a one value here, okay, and 20 is like one of the value that is stored or assigned to a like id variable. This let related variable belongs to the like particular scope only, particular block scope only. If is nothing but one of the block, and inside this if block only you can able to access this id variable, but outside of this this block you can't able to access, because whenever you are using the let keyword, automatically it will define the scope of this particular variable is belongs to the particular scope only. You can't able to access outside of this scope. Same thing I am going to write here. For example, I am having a one if block, For that if block I am giving the like true as one of the boolean condition, true as one of the boolean condition I am passing. Then if the condition is true, then if block will execute. Inside this one where id is equal to like 20, I have to write like this. But instead of using the like where keyword here, I am using the let. Let is nothing but one of the keyword. Using the let keyword, you can able to create using let keyword. You can create block scope variable. Block scope variable you can able to create, and this block scope variable you can able to access inside a particular block only. You can access, I mean let variable you can access inside a particular block only, but you cannot access let variable outside of a block. This is the meaning. So I am going to repeat once again. If is nothing but one of the control statement. That control statement will check the condition. If the condition is true, then if block will execute. If the condition is not true, then if block will not execute. So as of now, like I am not giving the like any complex code here. So simply I have written the like only true conditions. Means if condition is true, then if block will execute. And inside this if block, I have written a let id is equal to 20. Just observe here, let is nothing but one of the keyword which is introduced in ES6. Using the let keyword, you can able to create a block scope variables. Block scope in variable in the sense you can able to access inside this particular block only, but outside of this block you can't able to access let related variable value. So just observe here, I am trying to what I am doing here is document dot write ln method I am taking, and inside I am using the like id. Observe here. So I can able to get or access this variable inside this block only. Observe here, this id is nothing but like one of the block scope variable, and for that you have given a like 20 as a value. Then if I am doing the document dot write ln of id, then I can get the like id value as a 20. But same thing observe here, instead of using this one, like I am trying to access this block scope variable outside of this block, then you can't able to access this value. If you right click here, then you can able to go for the like inspect element and observe here. Reference error, id is not defined. Why you are getting the like id is not defined means, if you are creating any variable with the help of the let keyword, only that let related variable will be accessible inside a particular block only, but you can't able to access outside of that particular block. If you are trying to access any let related variable outside of a particular block, then you will get the undefined, sorry, not defined as a output you will get. Reference error you will get. You can observe here, id is not defined. id is not defined. So document dot write ln of id, and here this id value is not visible here. You can observe here document dot write ln of id, then id value is not visible here, because we are having the three types of the scopes. One is the like a global scope, one is the function scope, one is the local block scope. Block scope means using the let keyword you can able to create a block scope variable, and you can able to create a local variable as well as the global variable with the help of the var keyword. Again I am repeating. So we are having the three types of the scopes. One is the global scope, one is the function scope, one is the block scope. If you are using the any var keyword to create like variables, then you can create two types of the variables. You can create a local variable as well as the global variable you can able to create. But instead of using the var keyword, if you are using a let, then you can able to create a block scope variable. Then that block scope variable can be accessible inside a particular block only. Here the block means for is one of the block, if is one of the block, else is one of the block, while loop is one of the block. Like that we are having the many blocks. Yeah, as of now just observe, we are having the three types of the scopes. One is the global scope, one is the function scope, one is the block scope. To create a global variable or to create a local variable, we have to use the var keyword, but to create a block scope variable we have to go for the let keyword. Then again we are having the like one more keyword called as like const keyword. Using the const keyword you can able to create a constant variables. For example, here I am having const is nothing but one of the keyword. For example, PAN card number I am having, PAN card number is equal to ABCD, then 2233, then yes I have given. So once you are what is the like use of the const means? Const is nothing but one of the keyword. Using the const keyword you can able to create a constant variables. Constant variables means, just observe here, constant variable. Constant variable means after I have like already I have given here ABCD like 22, 33, yes as one of the value to the like PAN card, but if you are trying to change any like PAN card value again, then you will get the error. For example, here N. So I am trying to change the like constant variable value, then you can't able to modify it. Then document dot write ln of like PAN card observe here I am having a like one constant variable, and for that constant variable I am trying to access this one. So but here what you are doing is you are using the const keyword. Const keyword means using the const keyword you can able to create a constant variables. After using the const keyword, if you are trying to redeclare or redefine any value, you can't able to get it, because const means constant variables. You can't able to again redeclare any variable. We cannot declare or define any constant variable. Means once you have used the const keyword, then you can't able to define or declare a again variable, because const is a constant variable. Const is one of the keyword. Using that you are going to create a constant variables only. Just observe here. I am not getting the any value. If you click on the like right click here, then in the console you can see here assign to a constant variable. Assign to a constant variable means if you click here, then you are able to see something here. PAN card is equal to NBMJ7744P. I have like reassigned a value, so it won't work. Means using the constant keyword you can able to create a constant variables. Constant variable means here PAN card is equal to ABCD 2233 and yes you have given. Already you have created a one variable here. After creating this variable, if you are trying to change the any value, you can't able to modify or you can't able to edit this one. Because using the const keyword you are going to create a constant variables. So now I am removing this one. If you are removing this one means, if you are removing means you have commented this one, then it won't work. Only whatever you have given the like A, B, C, D, this it will work. You can check here. You can able to see something called as A, B, C, D 2233. Yes, you are going to get. So we are having the three types of the like where three types of the keywords. Using the where keyword, you can able to create either global variable or Using the where keyword, you can able to create two types of the like variables. One is the global variable and one is the function scope variable. And we are having a let keyword. Using the let keyword, you can able to create a block scope variable. And we are having the one more keyword. Using the const keyword, we can able to create a constant variables. Observe here, I am having a one const keyword. Using this const keyword, I am going to create a one constant variable. And using the let keyword, I am going to create a one block scope variable. Block scope variable can be accessible inside a particular block only, but you can't able to access outside of this block. This 20 is like a let related variable value, and this is a one of the constant variable value. So in between that, I am going to give the like one breakpoint here. BR, then you will get, yeah, this is the like 20 as the local variable, block scope variable value. This ABCD 2233 yes is a constant variable value. Means we are having the three types of the variables to create a like variables, and one is the like a let keyword, one is the const keyword, one is the where keyword.